Hello students, how are you? I hope all are well. Once again, I am Mr. K. Solomoni sitting in front of you. First of all, I welcome all of you to our YouTube channel. This is Python video lesson number 50. So in previous lesson, that is Python video lesson number 47, we studied how to create top level window, how to add child widget. It may be a label or button onto the top level window. That is what we studied. Now we will study what is the use of string variable. So string variable is a one class. It is used to set and get text or string into one variable. How that we will see in detail now. So first we will see the definition and then we can go for program. First text variable. So text variable it is one of the properties property of label to display string stored in variable of string variable. That is string var. Simply we can call it as string var. S should be capital. Again, D should be capital. String var. So text variable is one of the property of label which is used to display string stored in variable string var class. This string var is a one class. Then set. Set is a one method used to set string into variable or object, variable of string var. One more method, that is get. This is small s get. This is also one more method used to display or return string stored in variable object. Why we are using this text variable property as well as string variable? In previous lesson, we are having text property of label. This text property is used to assign one text into the label. In future, if we want to change or if we want to give different text for the label, we need set and get. Set is used to set different string into the string variable. That string variable should be assigned to text variable. That text variable is one of the property of label. Instead of giving text, we must use text variable while creating the label. So now we will see one program which can clearly explain text variable, set and get as well as string variable class. ARG to explain and get text in label string var text variable. Now, as usual, we must import tkinter inter, not inter, tkinter as tk. We have to create one top level window tk.dk, which is used to create a new top level window. Here I must create one string variable str1 equal to string var. String var of, so string var is a one class. str1 you may call it as a object or variable which is created under string var. So the str1 now it's an empty string, it does not have anything, it is an empty string. Now I like to create one label. Now we will how to create label. Label here top level window. Previously we are typing text. Okay, now we are using text variable because we are going to assign here one variable, string variable to the str1. That's all very simple. Now we like to pack, instead of this pack statement in another statement like this, we can use dot pack here itself. So label 1 is created with the top level window text variable equal to str1. By default, str1 is a empty string that will be stored into text variable, does not have. So label 1 is packed into the root 1. That's good. Now I like to set, or I want to assign one text into the str1. str1 is a string variable using set. This set is used to assign one string into the text variable. So now str1 is assigned with new text. So I like to print, so str1 dot get root1 dot main load. First we will see the output, then I will explain the program once again. I like to save and run the program. I compile the program. We'll see the output. It shows some error. So we have to press tk here tk dot. So string variable is available under tkinter. Once again shows error. Label 1. So tk dot label. Now it comes. See, I will explain the program now. It creates empty string variable under string variable. Okay. Here assigns new text or assigns text into text variable. Variable of string. This get is used to return or display stored in variable of string var. Here also we can use string var. String var is a class. So here we are creating one top level window. We are creating one str variable, that is empty variable created under string var. String var is a one class. It has two methods. One is set, another one is get. So here we are creating one more new label, that is label 1. We are using top level window, text variable equal to str1. Now label does not contain any text since str1 does not have any string because it is an empty string. Now with the help of set, we are storing new text. The new text will be assigned to str1. Now the label will have text as str1. After that, we try to display whatever available in str1. Now what is available in str1? str1 is available, new text is available in str1. That is displayed here. That's all very simple. So now we'll move to another one. How to resize the child widget, that we must learn. So far, if we increase the top level window, the widget size of the widget is not increased. It is as it is. How to resize the child widget, that is what we must know now. That's a very simple. Child widgets width and height. Here for resizing child widget as width and height of parent window. That is top level window. The parent window is small, the child window will be small. If the parent window is long, it will be long. Then according to the size of the parent window, the child window will be matched. That is what we know. How do we can see it now? So as usual, we have to import tk inter as tk. Then we have to create one root window, tk.tk, that is top level window we created. Here I want to create two label as well as two button. Label 1 equal to label root 1 comma text. We are assigning directly text since we are not using any get and set. If you are using get and set, you should go for text variable. So here I must use success1. Similarly, I want to change the background color of the label as well as foreground color of the label. How? bg is a one more attribute. It has background color. So red. Similarly, fg is also one more color, one more attribute. It is for foreground color. So I want to give white here. So I need one more label. It is label 2. It should display with the text success 2. bg color is red, foreground color is white. Okay. Now I like to create one more button. So here I have to put tk. Here also tk. Button 1 tk dot button root 1 comma text equal to success 1. Same thing, bg equal to just copy it. Button 2. Here also success 2. So now I created 2 labels as well as 2 buttons. I like to pack all. Pack label 1 dot pack. Same thing I repeated again and again. Here it should be label 2. It should be button 1. Button. At last, root 1 dot main loop. That's all. In this program, nothing new. We are not doing any researching. We are just placing whatever we learned previously. Other than BG color, red color. First, we will see either BG color foreground comes or not. Then we can go for how to resize. Here, 162. You will see the output here. So see, now success 1, success 2, success 1, success 2. So here this is label 1 with the text success 1. Background color is red, foreground color is white. This is also a label, that is called label 2 with the text success 2, BG color, FG color. But this success 1 is a button. Success 1, same foreground, background color. This also button. So that is what we learned previous, nothing to worry, other than background and foreground. Now the problem is, if we resize the top level window, the size of the widget should change as per size of the top level window. So this one should change. That is what we need. We will see now it's not changing. We like to change. Better we can keep label 1 as it is. Now I will change it here. Label 2 dot back 1. I like to change. I like to resize the label 2 as per top level window. That is root 1. So here fill. Fill is the one property available with the pack. Fill equal to tk dot x. Okay, so tk dot x is here one value we can assign. So x means x axis horizontal wise. That means widthwise it should increase. That is expand equal to 0. Similarly, I want to keep button 1 as it is, no not to resize. Button 2 should not resize. Fill equal to tk dot y. It should be capital. Y means vertical. Vertical means height wise it will increase. So label 2 will increase, that is success 2 will increase, resize along with the top width of the top level window. As well as button 2 will resize according to height of the top level window. You will see expand equal to 1, not 0, it should be 1. Good. Now I save the program. I'll run the program, we will see. This success should not change. This success should not change. This is the label 2. This is the button 2. Now I increase the size. Say it here. The success 1, the size width of the success is not changed. Whereas width of the success 2, that is label 2, is changed. Height of the button 1 with text success 1 is not changed. Whereas button 2, height of the button 2 is changed according to size of the top level window. While decreasing, it will decrease. While increasing, it will increase. That is what we must know. See it here. So label 1 dot back does not have any fill. So therefore it is not changed. Label 2 dot back as fill equal to tk dot x. X means horizontal or widthwise. Expand 1. Similarly, button 1 does not have any fill. So it is not changed. Button 2, this is button 2. fill equal to tk dot y. Y means vertical. That means height. Expand is there. So we must know this one. So what about we are having different x as well as y. If you want to resize one child widget in both way, that means height as well as width, what we must do, that we'll see now. Instead of having one more variable, more widget, better we can have only one widget. That will be very much useful. You can easily understand. Child widgets. X and y. Both x and y. Height and so here we can have comment. As usual, we must import tk enter as tk. Create one top level window. tk. We can have only one child widget, that is button. Button 1 equal to equal to as usual 1 or only one success. We should have bg color. Same thing we can put fg equal to white. Good. So root text bg fg. Now we have to pack button 1 dot pack. Here I want to resize the button 1 as per root 1. So fill we must use fill equal to, if we give x, if height only increase, not width. If we give, sorry, if we give x, width only increase, height not increase. If we give y, height will increase or height will resize, not width. I need to resize width as well as height of the button one. So we have to use both. tk dot both, all in capital letters. Comma. Then expand equal to 0. That's all very simple. Now root 1 dot main loop. Check once again. Button is created. So pgfg okay. Pack 1, button 1 dot pack, fill equal to tk dot both as well as x, y. It should be 1, not 0. 0 means nothing will happen. That means it will resize. 1 means it will resize. Now I will save the program. Just select to run. You will see the output. It shows some error. Button is not declined. We have to use tkl. tk. So see. Now this is the width. This is the height of the top level window root 1. So the width and height of the button 1 is as per top level window. Now I like to increase widthwise as well. See the width and height of the button 1 is increased as per top level window. If it is decreased, again it will be resized. That is the usage of fill and expand. So today I stopped here itself. I hope all of you enjoyed this lesson. In next lesson, we will study a little bit more. Until then, thank you students. Bye-bye.